there for you? I lose you want to lose the work, dog.
Cause I depend on that, you know. Me need a break.
What kind of break you talk about, you? Eh? You need for earn. I mean the people in my call, you know, because them can't get your phone.
They don't move like they want to slave out, man, you know. I mean, I depend on that.
You know say something wrong with you, youth. You know say a little girl like get paid.
Tiffany. A Tiffany she name, brother. So stop calling her a little girl and name go something there. I just her by her right name.
Youth, you're really serious about that little... Alright, my bad. Tiffany. You serious about her?
You didn't think a joke thing?
Never know say that serious cause. You serious think of us? I cut and go through, you know? Galley style.
Me not depend on that cause, boy. As somebody more of a settle in and a she me a pray.
Big man meds. Well, me can respect that. You see me? But how you gotta take care of her? And you not work. You have plan to live off a politician man money.
Sheldon, Tiffany then a private care, you know, and she unconscious.
So what going?
Me not get the full info, you know, cause like her mother answer the phone and she can't give me no information at the moment. Yo, it mashed me up bad. You know she there, she da good.
You can't blame yourself for that, youth. That had that. You see, the sister don't want you around her. They don't rate you.
Me don't want them to rate me. As long as she rate me good.
You know, say I waste your time.
Princess people never rate her either. And that never stop, you know. And when she crash, that almost mad you. A lie? Cause, at Tiffany me rate. You know, so she get 3 catering work for me and she able to cook out. Yo, the girl encourage me to stop all work with people and just focus on my own goals and my business, bro.
You know, say, she sound like Prince still. Big man thing. And you what? If I violate, I'm sorry for that, you see me? Big man thing. I mean that from my heart, bro. So if I see her means, fight for her, you see me?
That's what the plan is. But cause, we could talk about business. We are going for the operation there.
Preparation.
See him bodyguard, man, policeman, man, everyone can remember.
Give me a second. I never want you up on upstairs. I'm going to link shop boss for roll with me.
Well, I sure have to go roll then.